Hello dear students, today we will discuss chapter number 3, part 1, and this is revision part. The chapter name is Understanding Quadrilateral, and today we will discuss the topic that is polygons. And here we will going to discuss the questions of exercise 14a. Now question number 1. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. First, that is pentagon. So we know that in pentagon there are 5 sides. So pentagon, the number of sides in pentagon is 5, we know that. So here n equals to 5, and here we have to find the exterior angle. So the formula of exterior angle will be equals to 360 divided by n. N is the number of side of polygon. So n is given here, n equals to 5. So put the value and get the answer. So exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n. So n is here 5. So put the value 5. Just cancel out. 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja 10. So exterior angle will be 72 degree. Similarly, question number 2, hexagon is given and we have to find each exterior angle. So we know that in hexagon the number of sides are 6. So here n equals to 6. Now exterior angle equals to, again same formula, exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n. So this is 360 degree divided by n, and here n is 6 which is given. So put the value 360 divided by 6. Now it will be cancelled out. 6 6 ja 36 and 0 60 degree. Now the answer is 60 degree. Similarly, question number 3, a heptagon is given and we have to find each exterior angle. So we know that in heptagon there are 7 sides. So here n equals to 7. Now same formula, exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n. N represent number of sides of polygon. So here n equals to 7 which is given. So put the value. So 360 degree divided by 7. Now 7 5 ja 35, carry 1 10, 7 1 ja 7, 30, 7 4 ja 28, 7 2 ja 40. Now 51.42 degree. Similarly, question number 4, decagon is given here. We know that the number of sides in decagon is 10. So here n equals to 10. Now we have to find exterior angle, each exterior angle. The formula of exterior angle equals to 360 divided by n. N is number of sides. So put the value 360 degree, and n is given here 10. So put the value, this is 10. 0 0 cancel out. This is 36 degree. Now each exterior angle of decagon is 36 degree. Now it's very simple. Now question number 2. Is it possible to have a regular polygon each of whose exterior angles is 50 degree? So here exterior angle of polygon is given and this is 50 degree. Now we have to find, is it possible to exterior angle becomes 50 degree, each exterior angles become 50 degree. So the formula is exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n. Now we know that this formula, put the value of exterior angle, this 50 degree is given, just put this. So this is 50 degree equals to 360 degree divided by n. Here n is number of sides of polygon. So just simplify this. So 50n by cross multiplication equals to 360 degree. Now n equals to 360 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel out, and 5 7 ja 35. 0.52 ja 10. Now n equals to 7.2. So n is number of side, and number of side cannot be in decimal form. So this type of polygon is not possible. So this type of polygon is not possible. Now the next question, that is question number 3. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon having, question number first, 10 sides, second 15 sides. Now question number first, n equals to 10 sides is given here, and we have to find each interior angle. So first of all, here we have to find each exterior angle. So by this formula, exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n. So by this formula we can find each exterior angle. So just put the value of n, that is 10, it is given here. So 360 divided by 10. 0 0 cancel out, and this is 36 degree. Now each exterior angle equals to 36 degree, and here we have to find each interior angle. So we know that each interior angle plus each exterior angle equals to 180 degree. The sum of each interior angle and the sum and exterior angle equals to 180 degree. So here we have to find interior angle, each interior angle. So it becomes 180 minus exterior angle, that is 36 degree here, 36 degree. Now just subtract this, 144 degree. This is the answer. Now it's very simple. Now question number 2. Again 15 sides is given here. So n equals to 15 is given. Now first of all we have to find each exterior angle. So exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n, and it is given 15. So put the value here, 15. Just cancel out, 15 2 ja 30, 60, 15 4 ja 60. So this is 24 degree. So the each exterior angle equals 24 degree, and here we have to find each interior angle. And we know that the sum of each interior angle and the exterior angle equals to 180 degree. So each interior angle here we have to find. So this equals to 180 minus exterior angle. This is 24 degree. So this is 24 degree. 10 minus 4, that is 6. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 156 degree. Now this is the answer. Now it's very simple. And here the complete explanation of question number 3. Now question number 4. Is it possible to have a regular polygon each of whose interior angle is 100 degree? So interior angle is given here. Interior angle equals to 100 degree. Is it possible that each interior angle equals to 100 degree? This is the question. Now each interior angle equals to 100 degree. Here we have to find each exterior angle, and we know that if we subtract by 180 minus interior angle, that means 180 degree minus interior angle, that is 100 degree. So this is 80 degree. Here each exterior angle equals to 80 degree. Now we know that the formula, each exterior angle equals to 360 divided by 360 degree divided by n. The n is the number of sides of polygon. So put the value here. Exterior angle equals to here 80 degrees given. So put the value, 80 degree equals to 360 degree divided by n. Now do cross multiplication. So 80 into n equals to 360 degree. Now n equals to 360 divided by 80. 0 0 cancel out. 8 4 is 32. 40 8 5 is 40. So n equals to 4.5, and n is the number of sides of polygon. So the n is in the form of decimal. So number of sides cannot be in decimal form. So this type of polygon is not possible. Polygon is not possible. Now this is the answer. Now the next question, that is question number 5. What is the sum of all interior angles of a regular polygon? First pentagon, second hexagon, third nonagon, fourth polygon of 12 sides. Now here we have to find sum of all interior angles, and some polygons are given here. Now question of first. Pentagon is given here, and we know that the number of sides of pentagon equals to 5. So n equals to 5, n is the number of side. Now sum of all interior angle. Sum of all interior angle, the formula is sum of all interior angle equals to n minus 2 180 degree. N minus 2 180 degree. Now put the value n equals to 5 here. So this is 5 minus 2 180 degree. Now this is 3 into 180, and this equals to 540 degree. Now it's very simple. Simply we have to put the value of n, this is 5, in this formula, n minus 2 180 degree. Now question number 2. Hexagon is given here. So n equals to 6. We know that the number of sides of hexagon is 6. So n equals to 6 here. And sum of all interior angle. The formula is n minus 2 180 degree. Now put the value n equal to 6. So 6 minus 2 180 degree. And this is 4 into 180 degree. And this will be 720 degree. Similarly, question number 3. Nonagon is given. So we know that the number of sides of nonagon is 9. So the formula will be angle sum equals to n minus 2 180 degree. Now put the value of n, that is 9 here. Just put it. So 9 minus 2 180 degree. So this is 7 into 180 degree, and 0 756, 6 carry 5. This is 12 and 60 degree. Now this is the answer. Similarly, question number 4. Polygon of 12 sides. So n is simply given here 12. And we know that the formula of angle sum, or you can say sum of interior angle, equals to n minus 2 180 degree. Now n is given here 12. So put the value. So 12 minus 2 180 degree. So 10 into 180 degree equals to 1800. Now this is the answer, and this is the sum of interior angles of having 12 sides. Now this is the answer. Now the next question, that is question number 6. What is the number of diagonals in some polygons are given here. Here we have to find the number of diagonals. So we know that the formula number of diagonals of polygon equals to n minus 3 divided by 2. Now simply here we have to use this formula. Question number 1. heptagon is given, so we know that the number of sides of heptagon is 7, so n equals to 7. And here we have to find number of diagonals, so this formula is given here. So number of diagonals equals to n minus 3 divided by 2. So n is 7 here, so this is 7 minus 3 divided by 2. Now 7 into 7 minus 3, that is 4, divided by 2, 2 2 is 4, and 7 into 2, that is 14, and this is the answer. So the number of diagonals is 14 here. Similarly, question number second, octagon is given, so we know that the number of sides of octagon is 8, so n equals to 8 here. Now number of diagonals, formula is n minus 3 divided by 2, so n is 8 here, just put it. So 8 minus 3 divided by 2. Now 2 4 is 8, so 4 into 8 minus 3, that is 5, and 4 5 is 20, so 20 diagonals are there. So this is answer. Now question number 3. Polygons of 12 sides. So here n equals to 12 given, number of sides are 12. So number of diagonals, formula is given n minus 3 divided by 2. So put the value of n here. So this is 12 minus 3 divided by 2. Now 2 6 are 12, it will be cancelled out. So 6 into 12 minus 3, that is 9, so 54. So the number of diagonals are 54. Now this is the answer. Now this is the complete explanation of question number 6. Now the next question, that is question number 7. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle is given. Now we know that this formula, each exterior angle equals to 360 degree divided by n, and n represent number of sides of polygon. So here in this question we have to find n, that is number of sides of polygon, and each exterior angle is given 40 degree, 36 degree, 72 degree, and 30 degree. Now question of first, put the value, each exterior angle 40 degree is given. So in this formula here we have to put the value of exterior angle, that is 40 degree. So this is 40 degree equals to 360 degree divided by n. Now by cross multiplication, this is 40n equals to 360 degree. So n equals to 360 degree divided by 40. 0 0 cancel out. 4 9 is 36. Now 9 is the answer, and 9 is the number of sides. So this is 9 sides. So this is the answer. Similarly, question number second, exterior angle 36 degree is given. So this is 36 degree equals to 360 divided by n. So 360 degree divided by n. So here we have to find the value of n. So by cross multiplication, 36n equals to 360 degree. Now n equals to 360 degree divided by 36, and it will be cancelled out. So this is 10. So n equals to 10 sides are there. Similarly, question number third, that is 72 degrees given. That means each exterior angle equals to 72 degree. Now put this value in this formula. So exterior angle equals to 72 degree. So this is 72 degree equals to 360 divided by n. So here we have to find the value of n. Now 72 degree n equals to 360 degree. N equals to 360 divided by 72. So it will be cancelled out. 12 6 is 72. 12 3 is 30. 6 5 is 30. Now n equals to 5 sides are there, and this is the answer. Similarly, question number 4. Again 30 degrees given exterior angle. So put the value 30 degree equals to 360 divided by n. N is the number of sides. So n equals to 360 divided by 30. 0, 0 cancel out. This is 12. N equals to 12 sides. And this is the answer. Now it's very simple. It's complete explanation of question number 7. Now the next question, that is question number 8. In the given figure, find the angle measure x degree. Here the figure is given and this is of 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 sides are there. That means it's a quadrilateral, and here each sides are extended. So AB is extended to form x degree. So x degree is exterior angle. Again 90 degree. It is also exterior angle. This is 50 degree and this is 115 degree. All 4 exterior angles are given. And this is a quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now we know that here we have to find the value of x degree. So we know that the property, the sum of all exterior angle equals to 360 degree. So this is the property, sum of all exterior angle equals to 360 degree. Now the exterior angles are x degree, 90 degree, 50 degree, 115 degree. The sum of all these 4 angles equals to 360 degree. Now sum of all exterior angle, we can write x degree plus 90 plus 50 plus 115 equals to 360 degree. Now just solve this. So x plus 90 plus 50, that is 140 plus 115 degree equals to 360 degree. Now x plus 0 plus 5, that is 5, 4 plus 1, that is 5, 1 plus 1, that is 2, equals to 360 degree. So here x equals to 360 minus 255. This equals to 105 degree. Now x equals to 105 degree. So here x degree equals to 105 degree. Now this is the answer. It's very simple. Now this is the explanation of this exercise, explanation of all the questions of this exercise. Thank you so much, students. If you have any doubt and queries, you can comment in the comment box, or you can send the message to the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much.